Hello and welcome to Kahindo Tech. In this video, I will show you how you can block somebody on Signal. Alright, but before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon. You can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars with Amazon Prime subscription. Alright, I have a link in my video description that will show you how that works. So click on my video description over here. You see this link and you can learn more about that. I highly recommend it, and you can cancel it anytime, not anytime, within the trial period, and you won't be charged anything. All right, let's get back to your video now. To block somebody on Signal, you first open up the app like I have here. Once you have it open, go to settings, and it's by clicking this icon up here, you either be your initial or the profile picture that you set up. All right, this will take you to settings. Once in settings, you see over here where it says privacy, click on that. And then over here where it says block, click on that. And you click over here where it says add blocked user. And you can go to your contacts and block one of these users. So for example, if I want to block this person, I'll click on that. And it says block this person. Block users will not be able to call or send you messages. Click on where it says block. And it says users, this user has been blocked. And there you go. And they'll start appearing here in the block users list. That's how you can block somebody on Signal. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to check out my Amazon Prime subscription. Thank you for watching.